Let's make gluten-free meatball subs using Melly's homemade meatball mix. I followed the recipe exactly as it said on the packet, and as soon as I poured the mixture, it made my whole kitchen smell aromatic. I used a 1/4 cup measuring cup to measure them out exactly before rolling them and baking them at 350 for 30 minutes. And if you don't have time to wait, you can always pan fry them on medium heat. For my meatballs, I made a simple red sauce by sauteing my onions and garlic. Then I sauteed my tomato paste and seasonings until they became dark. This is a technique called pinçage. Next, I deglaze the pan with red wine. I use Toscana to scrape off the fond and make sure the sauce is rich in color before adding my crushed tomatoes and vegetable stock. And the best part, shipping out my basil leaves and adding them to the sauce and letting it simmer until thickened. I then slice my gluten-free sub bread in half before layering them with mozzarella and baking it in the oven. If you're gluten-free or have celiac, then Melly's homemade meatball mix is definitely something for you to enjoy for this recipe and more.